Hi, my name is Patrick. This video is regarding important math topics and strategy to write the NMAT examination. So, if you're looking at NMAT, I think you need to know what topics you need to prepare in the NMAT and accordingly plan it. So, we do have courses for NMAT, which includes NMAT workshop, mocks, videos. You can go to a website called prep.patrick100.com. There you should get the details. So NMAT 36 questions in 52 minutes. Okay, so it is like around 1.5 minutes per question. Okay, a little less than that, but around 1.5 minutes per question. There is data sufficiency questions, 4 to 5. There is data interpretation, which is there 10 to 12, and there are 20 to 22 max questions. Now, DI could be a easy set or a tough set. If it's a calculation based set, it will be a tough. So you should leave it. Don't waste too much time on it. Leave in a sense, when I talk of NMAT, leaving a question means you should guess mark and move forward. Never leave a question without guess mark, because leaving a question has more negative than guessing as such. So what topics are not asked in maths is geometry. So you can skip geometry completely as far as NMAT is concerned. They don't ask geometry. So if you look at topics that they normally ask, you can look at these topics. Number systems, mainly involving factors, unit digit, divisibility test, HCF, LCM, etc. You can look at averages topic, logarithms, percentages, which include profit and loss, discount, interest, etc. Ratio proportion, work, pipes, okay, that time speed distance also will come out here, TSD, similar topic to some extent. Equation, inequalities, progression, probability, combination, and topics like calendar, some pattern, etc. These are type of questions in mathematics that are asked. So almost equal question, 2-3 questions on each topic is what they normally ask. You can prepare accordingly and go ahead with it. So if you look at most of the questions are based on arithmetic, you can focus on arithmetic, but there are a few questions that are also asked on equation inequalities. So you can work on those as well, right? So strategy, identify the time that you take for each type of question. So DI, how much time you take, DS, how much time you take, max, how much time you take. Try to find out. Find a marks per minute for each type of question, because this helps you to prioritize which type of question you should actually solve and which type of question you should guess mark and move ahead. Because a lot of students are not able to complete a complete paper in a given time frame, in which case you need to accordingly plan. I mean, how many questions you're planning to leave, and the question that you plan to leave should be the ones where you get minimum marks per minute, or any question that you find tough in the exam you should learn to leave quickly or mark and move forward. That's what I mean. So find out approximately how many questions you can solve in a given time frame. You have to write mocks to make an idea about how many questions you can solve. So write a mock, figure it out how many you can solve in a given time frame, and then plan your paper accordingly. So say, let's say if I'm planning to solve 30 questions in the paper, okay, so you will be leaving around 4 to 6 say difficult questions. Technically you should leave. If I'm going to leave 4 to 6 difficult questions, that means after every 9 questions I can leave 1 questions. Okay, if I'm solving 9 questions, 1 question I can leave difficult. I mean, that's a tentative mark. So that means you certainly get a difficult question, you leave. You can't leave the next question which is difficult. You have to solve, I said, but you have a fair idea that okay, in every 9 questions I could leave maybe 1 questions. You will have some idea with regards to number of questions you can leave. The idea of leaving is you don't waste too much time on a question, and that time can be utilized for the other questions as such. You need to write the mock so that you have an idea with regards to how to plan your paper, because in NMAT planning the paper becomes extremely important, because you cannot come back to the question. Once you've gone ahead of the question, so that decision whether to leave a question after spending maybe 1 or 2 minutes or to solve it, all that makes sense. So you need to plan your paper accordingly. I hope this helps. We will have more videos for NMAT. We'll have more videos for MBA entrance preparation. Interested, do subscribe to the channel and go ahead. If you need any video, do put in the comment section and we will try to help you out with it. Thank you.